So, ayan, makikita natin maganda ang kanilang lugar dito. Dito po yung Mekong. So, you can see, malawak ang Mekong sa kabila. Yan na po yung Thailand. So, mainit ngayon. At the same time, cool ang weather. At this is the restaurant. Walang maraming tao ngayon. And they have this garden. So, you can walk a little bit. Check kung anong meron dito. And nandun yung kalsada. Actually, yung road na doon papunta na yun ng Welt Coffee. And pabalik ng River Moon. So, dito, makikita natin malawak ang kanilang lugar. Kunti lang tao, ano lang sila. Pero baka sa gabi inuman na siya. Doon po yung toilet nila, may naghuhugas ng kamay. Tapos dito, kunting lakad-lakad, meron tayong magandang view dito. Kaya, enjoy nating maglakad. Tignan natin ano pang nandito. Well, nature talaga dito. Ayan po yung motor namin. Ha! Malawak ang ating place. So, dito na yung parking lot nila. Kita nyo, meron silang bahay dito. Tsaka garden. Ayan. Meron silang mga customer konti. Yeah. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo, guys. Ito yung bahay nila. Nature. Oh, taas. Ito. Cigar sunset nga pala dito, guys. So, makikita nyo. Meron rin silang toilet dyan. So, ayan yung kanilang coffee shop. So, punta lang kayo dito. Masyal. Oh, bagong dating. Bago silang customer. Tutuloy-tuloy lang tayo maglakad. Meron silang mga maliliit na cottages dito. Pwede pa tayong mag-check-in. Dito kumain. Tambay. Like this. Okay. And ayan, under the tree. So, maganda siya dito, guys. Cool. Ang weather is so nice. Not that really hot. May mga kumakain na doon. So relaxing. Quiet lang. Enjoy ka lang talaga magkain, magtambay. Tsaka, inom-inom ng kape. Yan. Wala pa daw silang barista ngayong time. Kaya, for now, ano lang muna ang gagawin natin. Lakad-lakad. Kunting tambay. Sa gabi may mga pailaw rin ito. Tsaka yan, mainit. Medyo naputol yung ibang kahoy nila doon. So, dito naman, meron tayong samahan. Ayan siya. Pwede. Yan siya, guys. Ito po yung pasto natin dito, guys. So, ayan. Nalibot po natin ang ating cigar sunset. Hi, ma'am. Ano po masasabi niyo, madam?
Yeah, it's good place. It's yeah, you can find rest. Yeah, you can meditate here. I think you can do that during weekdays because there's no a lot of people. Actually, this place is just so new. We passed by here last year and then we never noticed this, but I think they are under like developing or construction. And there's another good place also just there upstairs. I don't know.
Maybe it's a house.
Oh yeah, maybe it's a
They are
private house or a coffee shop.
upstairs, but yeah. We hope we can have one like that soon. Yeah. Looks so good. Refreshing and cool.
Yeah, the prices is of course it's it's just enough. Of course, we need to understand that the place is so good and The environment and the setting is so good, and in front of Mekong River. So it's a little bit pricey, but not that so much pricey. It's just tamada.
Alright, good job. Amada. You're improving in your love, madam. Congratulations. Enjoy.
Try.
Sit back and relax. Enjoy the view.
Yeah, it's
Yay.
so good here. Oh.